Hi buddy, and welcome back. Today I've got a product that I just picked up off of Amazon, and I'm going to take it inside and do an unboxing for you. And this is the Vantrue X4 ultra high definition 4K Dashcam. Now this is going to be a big upgrade for that Vantrue N2 Pro that I have installed in my car right now. So let's go inside, unbox this, and see what's inside. All right, so let's open it up and see what's in the box. Dash cam wrapped in foam, plastic. We have our user's manual, our quick start guide. All right, so here's everything that's in the box. We have our dash cam. You have the cigarette lighter power cable, and that is a 10-foot long cable. The data cable, and this is a 3-foot long cable. And here is your standard mount. The Vantrue X4 uses a Sony IMX317 image sensor. It has an 8 megapixel CMOS. Its processor is the Ambarella A12. The lens is an f1.8 with 160 degree wide angle view. Its super night vision will capture license plates and road signs even at nighttime or in low light conditions using wide dynamic range. Okay, so the Vantrue X4 UHD 4K dash camera is a front-facing dash cam. It uses a super capacitor for internal power. You can monitor video recordings on its 3-inch LCD screen, the 24-hour parking mode, as well as G sensors, a plus for any owner. You have eyes in your car when you aren't there, night vision, motion detection, time lapse, and it can support micro SD XC cards up to 256 gigabyte, and that's something you're going to have to purchase separately. When this is mounted in the car, if the G sensor detects a shake or collision, it locks the footage into an event file so that it can't be overwritten. This also has seamless loop recording, so it overwrites the oldest footage with the newest upon filling the car to capacity. And you can select whether you want to use a 1 minute, 3 minute, or 5 minute segments. And you set all that in the settings. And another cool function this has is the time lapse function. And this will allow you to take photos at specific intervals and edit them together in one video clip. And it'll do that inside of this camera. And that'll save you a lot of memory on your card. So this is how we go into the menu. There's the menu button right here. You can mute your mic with this button and turn the mic on. You can also move slow through a video. You can also, let's say an accident happens up in front of you or something happens that you want to save into that event file. You can press this and that will lock that video into the event folder. The USB port up here can be used for charging or data transfer. Your power button has mini HDMI port right here. Here's where your SD card is going to go. Here's your speaker right here. It's got a reset button on here. And this is where your microphone is, right here. It's actually a very nice camera. Now, this is something else that you're going to have to be picking up for your dash cam is going to be a micro SD card. And this one is a 256 gigabyte card, and I picked this up off of Amazon for $49.99. You can get a 32 gigabyte, a 64, 128, but being that this cam can use a 256, that's what I'm going to use. And this one is one that has 4K Ultra HD support. This is the Class 10 U3 card. So just this is being put into your cam, and when you pop your card out, you could put it into this adapter and insert it into whatever card reader that you have to store your files on your computer. Now, a lot of you are just going to be using the standard mount that comes with the kit, but there is an option, and that is the GPS mount. And I picked this one up off of Amazon for $21.99. Now, I want to point one thing out here. See, on the standard mount, the plug-in is on the side here. So when you're mounting this to the windshield, you press up against your windshield, and then you push this lock up, and that'll pull the suction down even tighter. But this one, you can actually get closer up to the roof line. Now with the GPS mount, the power goes in the top of this. So when you go to lock this one in place, you're going to have to remember that the power cord coming in here is going to need a little extra space up here. And when we do the install video, I'll show you how to do this right. So in closing, I'd have to say that I'm impressed with the Vantrue X4 ultra high definition dash cam. I think it's a really nice design, and I'm sure I'm going to get a lot of use out of it. The one thing that's really nice about this is I have the N2 Pro up here. Uninstall. And install the new one just like that. That's because I have this one hardwired. So that's it for today. In the upcoming videos, there'll be links at the end of this video, and they'll take you to how to install it with the cigarette lighter, how to hardwire it, or how to switch between a standard mount and a GPS mount. So all that's going to be in there. And trust me, it's very, very simple to hardwire into your fuse box. And I'll show you step by step on how to do it. And it's really not that hard to do. So take care, buddy, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye now. Couldn't have timed that any better, huh?